We're back, family. For those of you who have been watching this video and you didn't subscribe yet, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and make sure you share this video because this is something that we need, especially in today's world. Thank you so much. Now, when we're talking about the liver, we're talking about detoxification, and we're talking about your ability to create. And it's not that you can't create on the levels that you see other people doing. It's that what is your body holding on to that is blocking you from having the life that you feel you deserve and you desire, right? If you want to live a specific lifestyle where you're not working super hard for money, where you're not tirelessly, working hours and hours, and you know that there's something more that you're supposed to be doing, a direction, a sense of purpose, and you still have not honed in on that yet, chances are you are blocked internally. Your liver is blocked, your gallbladder is blocked, your pancreas is blocked, your colon is blocked. And until you purify these pathways, you'll find yourself in this situation in a continuous loop. It'll be continuous. And then you'll get frustrated. I don't know. I'm tired of hearing people saying, just do this. No, no, no. We're not telling you to just do this. What I'm showing you is the way that you can access your internal library of who you are